Dyer and John Squire work great. Oh, baby. Aiden Lang, Bobby Mignovich, Jared Kramer, Bruce Douglas, the 10 car, Dan Hilberg. Aiden Lang, Bobby Mignovich, Jared Kramer, Bruce Douglas, Dan Hilberg. The two local guys, the 45, Cody Nye spins out. The 2, Pelmer tags him. And Indy cars. Aiden Lang. Hey, Bobby Mignovich goes high. Aiden Lang. Whoa. Dittmer and Jeffrey Dyer come sideways through the start-finish line. Oh boy, was that fun. The 13 is Aiden Lang, the 14 Jared Kramer, the 10 car, Dan Hilberg, the 1 Bobby Mignovich, the 44 Brent Sexton, the 31 Bruce Douglas. Aiden Lang goes high, Jared Kramer looking underneath. It's Lang, Kramer, Hilberg, Bobby Mignovich, Brent Sexton, Bruce Douglas. And then it's Dalton Sexton and the 7 car, Pat Kelly. Fierce battle up front between the 13 and the 14, Aiden Lang and Jared Kramer. Kramer going low in 3 and 4. Can he make a move? No. Aiden Lang, your leader. Whoa, the 41 Schweitzer goes around. Schweitzer goes around, grabs up Mignovich, Brent Sexton, and the 31 of Bruce Douglas. That's like 3rd, 4th, and 5th. That was the lap car. That car is hurt, the Bobby Mignovich machine. I would say that thing is frames bent real bad on that baby. And we're green. Whoa, Jared Kramer making a bold move. It's Aiden Lang, Jared Kramer. Oh, Kramer now moves into the lead. It's Jared Kramer, Aiden Lang, Dan Hilberg, followed by the 18, Dalton Sexton. Then we have, oh my goodness, the 2J, James Turnbull II. That thing put a hole inside. That's right, a hole inside the block. It's on fire because the oil is coming out where it shouldn't be. Trust me. He ventilated that thing. Here we go, 11 down. Aiden Lang, Jared Kramer, followed by Dan Hilberg. Our leader, the 13 car, that's Aiden Lang. Here comes Jared Kramer in the 14. Then we have the 10 of Hilberg and the 18 of Dalton Saxton. Whoa! next to each other. Aiden Lang, Jared Kramer. '42 car, John Robertson. They're going by him. Yellow, yellow, yellow on the track. Yellow on the track to 7, Kelly. Job. Here we go, Aiden Lang, Jared Kramer, Dan Hilbert, 1 lap remaining. Aiden Lang takes the win. Jared Kramer, Dan Hilbert, Dominic Del Monte, the 45 of Cody Nye, and the 8 car of Eric Greco. Whoa! Nice round of applause for your winner, the 13X Aiden Lang.
Dude.
Oh man, my car is jacked up.